In this video, let's talk about how to use Wise for business payments. Whether you're sending or receiving payments as a business, you need to first of all convert your personal account into a business account. If you already have a personal Wise account, you can easily convert or add a new Wise account, which is going to be a business account, by tapping on the profile icon on the top left. And here you'll have the option called Open an Account. If you tap on Open an Account, you'll have the option called Business Account. Just tap on the Business Account option, select the country of residence where you have your business set up, and then you can tap on Continue. This way you'll need to sign up to a business account, verify your identity and your business through different information such as proof of business registration, proof of address, and you'll also need to add in your tax info. Once your business account now has been created, you can open balances in multiple currencies. Now, like you normally do in a normal personal account, you can similarly open up different currency accounts to receive payments from different currencies. You'll also get the local account details and global account details or SWIFT code so that you can provide these details to receive your payments as a business. Once you receive or send payments as a business, you can also create invoices and also generate payment links or QR codes for easy transfers. So that's all there is to using Wise for business payments. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.